Welcome to how to add pet in Snapchat. So in this video we are going to show you how to add pet in Snapchat. But before start of this video I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So to add the pets, first of all you will open up Snapchat and then you will go into the maps option, and then what you're gonna have to do is you will tap on the settings option here at the top right, and then here you can see that we don't have the pet bitmoji option here because we need a Snapchat Plus subscription to add this. Okay, and how you do get a Snapchat Plus subscription, you will go into your Snapchat profile, and if you basically go here, so it will basically show you that you can basically subscribe to Snapchat Plus. Okay, so how you're gonna do that, just tap on this here, and here you can see that we have the Snapchat Plus option, and if we just go down here it says we have pets in chat. Okay, so show off your pet when you are present in chat. So you need to subscribe to Snapchat Plus in order to add pets in your Snapchat. So that's it for this video guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.